this video, we will show you how to set up the connection between Dental CNC and a machine from the E-Series with CNC interface. Open the taskbar info area. Select the CNC interface icon. Create a new connection using the plus icon. Enter a description that indicates the connection. Check the Connect Automatically option. Open the port name drop-down list and select the available COM port. Select the machine to be connected from the machine drop-down list. Find the machine with the corresponding serial number. The serial number can be found on the identification plate of your machine. Save your entry. The connection you have set up is shown in the connection overview. The green dot indicates a successful connection. A red dot can have several reasons, such as a defective connection or another user already using the machine. If an update is necessary, execute it as shown. CNC interface tries to reconnect regularly. If you want to edit connection data, hover over the entry in the overview and select the edit icon. Minimize the CNC interface window. CNC interface is now connected to the machine and starts in the background every time you start Windows. Now start Dental CNC. Open the Dental CNC application settings. Open the General settings. Select the icon for the machine port number. The machine references and the lighting turns green. For the complete operating instructions, visit dentalportal.info. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.